If you are looking for a career in the internet installation business, you may be in luck. Safaricom has announced a new program where it's seeking to train at least 10,000 Kenyans over the next 5 years on fiber cable internet connection. This is a technical skill that will be trained by Safaricom together with the ICT Authority, which is working under the Presidential Digital Talent Program. Now, Safaricom has committed to take the first cohort of 200 students to train under the engineers for 3 hours on every Friday, where they will be trained on connecting what we call fiber optic internet. And after that, they can seek employment elsewhere, including through Safaricom, as and when the opportunities arise. Now, the Kenyan government has partnered with Safaricom through a public partnership that is also seeking to raise the availability of technical labor to improve the extension of other services related to the internet, including Wi-Fi hotspot in public places and also the digital village hubs. On top of that, Safaricom will be working with TVET organizations to include the broadband internet connection course in their regular curriculum. Money254.co.ke has written more about the new service called the Connect Academy. Click on the link in bio to learn more.